welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these pants using some tie-dye and some thrifted jeans. These jeans are literally so cute and they're so unique, and I'm sure you're gonna look amazing in them when we get them all done. Let's get into how to make them. Okay, so this is the type of tie-dye that I'm going to be using. It's just some kit that I honestly also got at the thrift store. All it is are these little squirter bottles with dye in the bottom. You can kind of see that. And then you fill it up to the top with water, shake it up, and splish, 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 splish. Okay, so I've laid down this black rug and we're going to throw some plastic bags onto it, Katy Perry style. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind landing on a rug? All right, and we have a water bottle here full of water. Jeez. All right, so now I'm just gonna fill up the little smush containers with some water. Now I highly recommend you do this step over a sink. Now to get the horizontal splashes of color on the pants like mine have, I folded my pants accordion style up the leg. Now if you wanted them to be vertical, you would fold accordingly vertically instead of the horizontally across the leg like this. And then you'll just kind of use some rubber bands on each side to kind of anchor it all down like so. And if you're wondering why I'm tie-dyeing pants that already kind of have like a pastelish tie-dye, I thought the pants looked a little like purposeless. Like it looked like someone like half committed to tie-dyeing these pants before. And I don't know, I felt like if they're going to be tie-dyed, it should at least look intentional and not like somebody accidentally got some color on their pants. So here we're intentionally squirting some of the purplish, like kind of dark blue hue onto the pants. I kind of want to have like a gradient of color going across the pants so that they're asymmetrical. It is asymmetrical. They are, I don't know, so that there's some asymmetry going on with the pants. So as I was squashing the color into the pants, I kind of realized that the texture of the pants wasn't all that porous, and so the color needed to kind of be like pressed into the pants as opposed to just like squirted on and it soaked in and took like it would if it were a t-shirt. You can kind of see me, I'm like scrubbing into the pants trying to get it to the color and the pigment to sink in a little bit and penetrate those fibers. And the way that you're going to get kind of the cool streaking across the pants is by really getting that color on top of those folds of the accordion that you have going on. And then if you want to kind of like get more of a watercolor sort of effect, you can use water to dilute the pigment across the fabric. So the color looks a little bit more lavender now because, again, I used a little bit more water this time when mixing my color. I wanted to get a little bit more of a color gradient going on, so I used a spray bottle. And I implemented that same technique, and this is kind of what ended up happening. And once I was happy with the purple, in came the pink, and again, that same. Okie doke, and here's what the front and back of the pants now look like. It's time to roll it all up into its plastic bag and seal it off for 24 hours so that everything can soak in. 24 hours later. And finally, we just have to rinse out all of the extra dye underneath some cool water. This does take quite a bit of while because of how much pigment is in the jeans, so just be patient. After this step, we'll throw it through the washer and then obviously through the dryer because you don't want to wear wet pants. But yeah, anyways, and here's what I got. If you are like me and you like unconventional pants, hit that like button and comment down below what your favorite pair of jeans looks like. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Keep blooming and have a great day. Bye.